Struggling to choose between Tello and Spark Mobile for your phone service? Let's break down which one gives you the most bang for your buck in just 90 seconds. First up, price. Tello is known for its super customizable plans, starting dirt cheap, perfect if you're a light data user. Spark Mobile leans towards simplicity with fewer plan options but might offer better deals on higher data amounts, so compare carefully based on your actual usage. Next, data speeds. Both Tello and Spark piggyback on larger networks, so speeds can vary based on location and network congestion. Check online forums and speed test reports in your area to see which network performs better where you live and work. Coverage is key, since both use other networks. Compare those underlying networks' coverage maps. Tello runs on mobile, while Spark Mobile is with Verizon. See which carrier provides the strongest signal in the places you frequent most to avoid dead zones. Now, customer support. Tello is mostly online, so expect chat and email support. Spark Mobile often offers more traditional phone support. Consider how important immediate assistance is to you when making your decision. Alright, quick recap. Tello excels in customizable, budget-friendly plans, while Spark Mobile focuses on simplicity and potentially better high data deals. Check data speeds and coverage in your area, and consider your customer support preferences. Now you're armed to make the right choice.